Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessie and today I am going to be doing a laundry chat with you. I have done a couple of these videos, so I will link them up in the cards above and also down in the description box below. I really enjoy these videos because I get to speak on a topic that I'm interested in, and also I get my laundry done, and hopefully you guys get some motivation. First thing I want to talk about is me shoving all these clothes into this washing machine. I think I put that thing as full as it could possibly be. I think I just really wanted to get the laundry done, and looking back I'm like, girl, you should have sorted them clothes, but hey, they all got clean. So I chose this time to actually catch up on a couple shows that I have been behind on. Ever since starting YouTube, I haven't had a chance to actually watch normal TV. So I was watching Station 19. I think I'm about 6 episodes behind on that. I try to watch Grey's Anatomy every week, and I watch Outlander every week. The rest of the shows, we're just gonna have to record on our DVR and catch up later, probably over winter break. So speaking of winter break, my December is probably the busiest month out of the entire year. Half my family have December birthdays, including my daughter. She is going to be turning 12. I know I think I've said that she's 12 already, and I tend to do that. I tend to give them a year for some reason. I really shouldn't do that. I don't know why I do that. I always add a year to everyone. Like, I sometimes forget how old I am. So yeah, we have, I think, 4 or 5 birthdays in December for my family, my nephews, my sister, my pup, my daughter. So I'm going to add this little bit of trivia in the middle of this video, and I'm going to wonder if anybody's going to comment on it. My pug, if you watch any of my videos, you know that my pug is always in them, and he is also in all of my voiceovers because he sits right next to me, plastered to my side when I'm trying to do my voiceovers, and he snores. So if you listen close enough to any video that I have a voiceover in, more than likely he is snoring in it. And speaking of my snoring pug, anybody like for me to do a dog tag video or about my pug video? He gets a lot of comments on my videos, and he is part of my family, and I could go into more about him if you guys are curious. So the next topic that I'm going to get into is actually Vlogmas. I was incredibly unprepared for Vlogmas. I should have pre-filmed some videos in preparation for putting out a video every day. I have learned a lot about myself, that I prefer quality over quantity, and now I have a plan in place. I have a list of video ideas, and I feel like the rest of Vlogmas is going to go a lot better. Also, I am so behind in watching everybody's videos. I did not realize how many people were going to be doing Vlogmas and how many videos that I need to watch every day. Because I usually try and get through my entire sub box and watch everyone's videos and make wonderful comments on all the awesome things that they're doing, but I just can't keep up. So I might actually be behind a couple days on everyone's videos, and I'm gonna have to be okay with that because I am very much into people pleasing, and I'm beginning to realize that I can't please everyone. I am trying my best, but guys, if I don't get to your videos every day, don't worry, I will get to them at some point, and you haven't lost me. I'm still here, and I'm still going to be watching your videos. I hadn't done one of these laundry chats in quite a while, and I forgot kind of how therapeutic it is to just sit here. I got my fireplace going, I got my Christmas tree going, and I'm just sitting here talking to my friends while folding my laundry, and it's kind of awesome. I wish I could go up and get some of my hot cocoa for my hot cocoa bar, but I don't want to disturb the dog. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But for the month of December, I'm doing Vlogmas. See you tomorrow!